All right, YouTube, what's up? Murtacus back here, bringing you guys another POV video. Got the SLK, idling, very happy car. But yeah, guys, got the top down, and yeah, let's get in the video. Love the two-tone seats. 82,000 miles, guys. 82,000 miles. Good, nice little rev right there. But yeah, guys, look at that solar panel. Boy, that boy's saving the environment. Let's see, am I good? I'm good. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Excuse the beeping, it'll go away. It's for because my top's down manually. But anyways, this car, so much fun. Love the top down feeling. Great weather. What is it, 73? Yeah, it is. It is nice. But anyways, hope everyone's doing well watching this video. Got some big things coming, guys. Big things coming. If you've been following my channel, I love cars. And yeah. Let's see where I gotta go. It says I gotta go left. This thing just flies, and it's so comfortable too. I mean, they just nailed the suspensions, like so comfortable and still sporty. I mean, I'm pretty low to the ground. What does it say? Quarry Mill Road, Glen Road. Brakes good too. I mean, this thing is money. And like when it's summertime, like all this green trees and stuff, it just looks so good. So good. I still have the cold air, or not cold air intake, but I have a dual cone intake, and you can hear the blow off of the supercharger, and that is so nice. Love that sound. Oh, I went the wrong way. Oh my gosh, that sound. Oh my gosh, it doesn't get old. I'm looking at some aftermarket headlights. They're like 200 bucks on Amazon, and it's a one piece. So I might install those, but other than that, I don't know what else I could do. I'm trying to fix up the interior. It's kind of janky, to be honest. I'd love to get new seats if I could get them for like a really good deal. But other than that, I've just been enjoying the drivetrain. 80,000 miles is like nothing on a Mercedes. And I got the Carfax, and this thing's just been, it's been sitting like its entire life. Woo! It feels like an airplane, honestly, with the intake sound. I love this car, guys. If you're in the market for a budget convertible, I think this is like the car, because not only you get 190 horsepower and a baby supercharger, so you get the supercharger noise. It's super peppy. I think it's only like 2,700 pounds. So the power to weight ratio is super good, and it's rear wheel drive, and it's a hard top. So I unfortunately don't have a garage for this thing. So like having a soft top, I feel like I'd be a little worried if like it got damaged from the environment. But with the hard top, it looks like a coupe. So, and it looks good both ways as well. This is just such a, I'm just so happy with this purchase. I love having my hands out, like it's nice. Handles the turns well too. Oh my god, it's so planted. Woo! And this is like such a good road. I love this road. Oh man. Mercedes did a fine job with the SLK. Oh, there goes the beeping. It does it like sporadically. It's like random. I guess I could disable it if I just like unhooked it. It's like a switch underneath, but I feel like that's doing the most. Oh my gosh, convertible vibes are amazing. I love convertibles now. It's just like, especially if it's a sports car, like something that goes fast. Even if it wasn't like necessarily fast, like just convertibles are just such a vibe. Is it gonna turn? I don't even see anybody. Green? Green? There we go. It just pulls and pulls and pulls. Oh my gosh. But yeah, guys, just wanted to make this quick video. Love you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you on the next one. Murtacus out. Peace.